Blizzard Entertainment's new game, Hearthstone, is a turn-based card game that initially is played online against game-generated characters for learning purposes. Once the player has learned how to play the game, at some point you are enabled to play with other people out in the world through the internet. This game structures learning by using a wide variety of visual and audio clues, and it is very easy to learn how to play. I think the clues given are amazingly self-explanatory and very engaging and interesting. There are pop-up messages throughout the course of the game, various labeled buttons and mouse overs, and clearly labeled graphics on the cards. Additionally, the game-generated opponent players will tell you what they're about to do and how their cards will affect the play.